Good morning, children. Welcome to my class once again. So, in my last class, I gave you a video to write sight word sentences. Can you see the sentences? Shall we repeat what we wrote in my last class? Okay. He is tall. I was playing with you. That I saw that movie. She has a fat cat. She sat on the chair. So I've seen that all of you have written very nicely in your copy. Now let's move on to a new page and write today's date. Can you tell me what is today's date? Yes, today is 29/5/2020. Once again, whenever you write anything, always remember to write the heading here. This is again you have to write sight words sentences. Write with a sharp pencil in neat handwriting, all of you. Sight words sentences. And today I am going to write the remaining sentences of the given sight words. What was the next one? Okay, what was the next one? Here today we are going to write another 5 sentences that will start with they. They go for a walk. Sorry, I wrote walk. Let me W-A-L-K. W-A-L-K. Walk. The next one is but. I like L-I-K-E like apples but not carrots. Underline the word but here. Okay, the third one at. The third sight word is at. Look at my cat. Full stop. My cat is black. The fourth one with. I play with you. I play with you. I P-L-A-Y play. W-I-T-H with. Y-O-U. I play with you. Finally, all. Look at all my toys. Underline the word all here. So shall we repeat how to read it? They go for a walk. But I like apples but not carrots. At, look at my cat. My cat is black. With, I play with you. All, look at all my toys. So children, take out your 4-line copy, your English copy, and write down these sight words sentences. After that, we are going to do an activity about sight words. So children, have you all written the sentences I gave you? Okay, now take out, after writing the sentences, take out a new page and write it down. You can write the date once again if you want. 28/5/2020, and write down few sentences here. So I've already written few sentences. Can you see? मैंने यहाँ पे बहुत सारे सेंटेंस लिखे हैं. अभी आपको इसमें से कुछ साइट वर्ड्स जो ऑलरेडी हमने सीख लिए हैं, उन वर्ड्स को आपने रेड कलर से कलर करना है, मार्क करना है. या तो आप यू कैन अंडरलाइन देम एज वेल और यू कैन मार्क देम होली विथ अ क्रेयॉन. Okay? So let us read the words. अभी तक आपने जितने भी साइट वर्ड्स सीखे हैं वो हम आज इसमें अंडरलाइन करेंगे. ठीक है, अभी तक जितने मैंने आपको बताए हैं. So you have to write first color, COLOUR, that is color. The, THE, the sight words in red, RED, red. Always remember the names of colors are also sight words. Actually, they are very commonly used words. So I think whenever you see the names of colors, you can easily identify the names of colors also. So they are also considered as sight words. So still today we are going to underline the words which we have already learned in my last classes. So what is the number 1 sentence I've written? Just see, THIS, this, IS is a BUG, bug. This is a bug. Just read after me. Good. Now underline the sight words here. Which is the common here? Yes, very good. This. Or you can underline it with red also. Or you can color lightly. एकदम लाइट से आपको कलर करना है. Is a. These 3 are sight words. Either you can underline also or you can color lightly to the number. Lightly, बहुत lightly आपको करना है, हल्के से डार्क नहीं करना है वरना कॉपी देखने में गंदा लगेगा. ठीक है, आपको lightly उसको कलर करना है. Okay? Let's read the second sentence. The bug is big and red. The bug is big and red. आप मेरे साथ अभी पढ़ते जाओ. मैं जिस वर्ड्स पे आपको फिंगर्स देते जाऊंगी Very good. The bug is big and red. Now underline the sight words here. Again, the is and. ठीक है? Can you see this? Yeah, you can color also if you wish. That's up to you. Okay, let's come to the third one. Again, THE, the. BUG already written. BUG is bug. The bug is in a RUG rug. It is the same sound as bug. It is a rhyming word with bug. So only the first letter is R here. The sound of R is R. UG, ug, rug, rug. So the bug is in a rug. Now read the words. Good. Now again we have to underline here. What are the words which are commonly found? The, is, in, a. A is a word here. The bug is in a rug. Okay. Now next come to the next sentence, number 4. Now अभी तक आपने प्रैक्टिस कर लिया. ये दो वर्ड तो इजीली आप देख के पहचानोगे. The bug tugs. Here the same rhyming word, only the first letter is T here. So T is t, tugs. UG is ug, tugs. The bug tugs the rug. There's a new word here. UN, TIL, till, until. UN, TIL, till, until. HE, he. IS, is. SNUG, SN, snug, snug, snug. Okay. The bug tugs the rug until he is snug. Once again, the bug tugs the rug until he is snug. Now read the words when I point out the words. Good. Repeat after me. The bug tugs the rug until he is snug. Very good. Now take out the red crayons once again. What are the words that you have already found? The, again, the, he, is. Fine? Okay. Now let's move on to the fifth sentence. Okay. Fifth sentence. This is am. Okay. So if you write P here, the word becomes P. The sound of P is P. P-am. Pam. Pam. Wants. W-A-N-T-S. Wants. To. H-U-Z. Hug. The bug. Pam wants to hug the bug. Okay, I'll point out the words. You read after me. Read the words on your own. Very good. Pam wants to hug the bug. Pam wants to hug the bug. Okay, so what are the sight words here? Wants to the. Can you see this? Right? Very good. Now move on to the sixth sentence. Can you see the sixth sentence properly? Yes, fine. It is easy now. It is most commonly. अभी आपने इतने बार पढ़ लिया, ये तो easily आपको आ गया है. The bug just 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 wants to be snug. The bug just wants to be snug. The bug just wants to be snug. Okay, just read the words. I'm pointing the words. Good. The bug just wants to be snug. Very good. So what are the words again? Underline. The. Here the new word is that I have not given you earlier, but just is also a sight word. You will see it very often in sentences. So just is also a sight word. Wants is a sight word. To is a sight word. And be is a sight word. Okay? Can you see this? Okay. Now finally, the last one. He, Jumps, jumps. He jumps. He jumps in a jug to be snug. He jumps in a jug to be snug. Repeat after me. He jumps in a jug to be snug. Okay? Now read the words when I point. Very good. He jumps in a jug to be snug. Now underline what the sight words. He, in, a, to, be. So understood? This is a nice activity to do. So in my next class also I'm going to bring you another activities, very interesting activities regarding sight words, and I will be doing a lot of activities through it, and through which your reading fluency will improve. Okay? Write it down in your copy. Till then, bye bye. Okay, children, kindly correct the date to 29/5/2020. Thank you.